Pringles aren't your ordinary chips. They've reshaped the snack industry since their launch in 1968. Known for their unique curve and iconic can, Pringles quickly gained worldwide fame. Their impact? Over $3 billion in yearly sales. This distinct chip design and presentation set them apart from traditional bagged chips and gave snacking a whole new image. What makes Pringles stand out even more is their huge flavor range, over 160 varieties tailored to different markets. The concept was created by chemist Frederick Bauer at Procter & Gamble. He aimed to solve the problems people had with regular chips: too oily, fragile, and mostly air in the bag. Bauer's goal was simple but ambitious. Invent a chip that stayed whole, stacked neatly, and stayed crisp. And he succeeded. Pringles deliver on shape, crunch, and packaging. But unlike most chips, they're not made from sliced whole potatoes. Instead, they consist of around 42% dehydrated potato flakes, mixed with rice flour, wheat starch, and maltodextrin. This custom blend gives Pringles a consistent texture and shape that ordinary chips lack. So how do flakes turn into that perfect stackable crisp? Let's take a tour inside the Pringles factory and see the detailed steps from raw ingredients to that famous final product. It all begins with high-grade potatoes, selected carefully for quality. At the factory, advanced systems and sensors scan the potatoes for color, size, and shape. Robotic arms clean off debris and reject any with defects. Only flawless spuds make it past this first checkpoint. Once sorted, the potatoes are washed in large tanks with powerful jets to remove any remaining dirt. Next, they're peeled using a spinning machine with an abrasive surface that removes skin without damaging the potato. Then, another rinse removes starch to avoid bitterness. After washing, any green, rotten, or damaged potatoes are removed. The rest go through high-speed slicing blades that cut them evenly. A second blade then shapes the slices into smaller square pieces, ready for the next step. A vibrating conveyor ensures they don't clump together. A smart camera system inspects each slice again, removing flawed ones. The good slices are blanched in hot water briefly to maintain texture. After cooking, they're ground into a smooth, lump-free paste. This soft mixture marks the beginning of the transformation into chips. The potato paste is dried in a rotating drum, where heat pulls out moisture and presses it into ultra-thin sheets. These sheets are then crushed into fine flakes, the key to Pringles' unique composition. This process locks in flavor and texture, prepping for dough creation. The flakes are combined with ingredients like cornstarch, rice flour, salt, and emulsifiers in large mixers. These create a rough, damp mixture, not doughy, but more like wet sand. It's this gritty texture that's essential for shaping those famous curved chips. The mixture spreads across a conveyor and enters a machine that flattens it evenly. It's then rolled into sheets about 1 millimeter thick. A rotating drum with oval molds cuts the sheets into uniform chip shapes, while leftover dough is recycled to reduce waste. The raw oval pieces move to a fryer equipped with rollers that bend them into their signature hyperbolic paraboloid form. Heated to 350 F, they're fried for 10 seconds to lock in shape and achieve that golden, crispy bite everyone recognizes instantly. After frying, the chips pass through cool air jets to remove extra oil and bring the temperature down. They're then sprinkled with seasoning by a dispenser that coats each chip evenly. From BBQ to sour cream, these flavors are what give Pringles their global appeal. Different countries enjoy different flavors, like wasabi in Japan or pizza in the US. Pringles customizes flavors to fit local tastes, making each can more than a snack. It's a piece of culture. Their ability to adapt keeps them relevant in every market. Thanks to their consistent shape, the chips naturally stack as they head to packaging. This makes handling easy and minimizes breakage. Before being sealed, each chip passes inspection by workers to catch any flaws, ensuring only top-quality Pringles are packed. The chips are portioned into the iconic cans, weighed for accuracy, and sealed by robotic arms. The airtight lid keeps them fresh until opened. From start to finish, every step in the process focuses on quality, efficiency, and delivering the perfect crunch. From field to can, Pringles are a testament to food engineering. Their signature shape and vast flavor options have helped them become a worldwide favorite. Whether it's shrimp flavor in China or curry in India, Pringles continues to satisfy snack lovers everywhere. Each can of Pringles carries more than chips. It tells a story of innovation, precision, and global taste. Thanks for exploring the journey with us. If you enjoyed this deep dive into how Pringles are made, be sure to check out more content on the Food Lab 11 and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.